I really need a new inventory. Oh my gosh, is that a mini Poppet keychain?
Yeah, it's not really a keychain anymore, but I still really enjoy playing with it.
Can I please offer?
Sure, it depends on the offer.
Okay.
Guess I'll accept. All right, what's your offer?
Let's see. How about 2 wacky tracks?
Can you add one more little thing?
Oh, sure. Let's see. I can get you this mini fidget spinner.
Sure, I've always wanted one. Accept.
Accept.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Confirm.
Confirm. Enjoy the Poppet.
Thanks.
Eek, I'm so happy.
Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, I really need a new inventory. These Poppets aren't the best. They have a bad side like all of the others, but they have a good side too. I like the blue one.
OMG, is that a purple and blue Poppet? That's my literal dream.
Yeah.
Can I please offer?
Sure, why not? I'll accept. Okay, what are your offers for this?
I will add a teal tie-dyed Poppet,
I love it.
a mini fidget spinner,
Okay.
a yellow mochi,
Aw.
and 2 monkey noodles.
This is way over, except
Accept.
love it.
5, 4, 3, 2,
1. Confirm. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy.
Wow, she was way over. I can't believe it. So stretchy. Love the monkey noodles. Look at this mini fidget spinner. And this Poppet.
Track is so much fun to play with, and it's really loud. I love it so much.
Oh my gosh, is that a wacky track?
Yeah, I got it yesterday. It's really fun, isn't it?
Yeah, can I please offer?
Sure.
Okay.
Why not? What's your offer?
Let's see, how about any of these? Not both of these, but which one do you want?
Take out the Rubik's Cube. I'm more into the fidget spinner.
Okay,
Can you add one more little thing?
let's see. I'll do maybe this really stretchy panda mochi.
Oh my gosh, I really think you're over, but I'm really gonna accept.
Okay, accept. 3, 2, 1.
Confirm?
Decline! These are my stuff. And you thought